Hi, I'm Lindsay Griffin, Missouri Marketing Manager and Public Relations Specialist for Arlington Row. Did you know that April is Stress Awareness Month? Who knew there was such a thing? As a mom of two boys and a new puppy, unfortunately, I know all too well how stress can take a toll on your body, both emotionally and physically. Then you throw in the year that was 2020, and I realized how important managing my stress really was. Stress has many adverse effects on the body, including increased risk for type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, it's bad for your heart, and it can lead to tension-related headaches and backaches. It can cause fertility problems, and ultimately long-term stress can weaken the immune system. Luckily, there are ways that we can all better manage our stress. For me, going on a walk and getting fresh air is one of the best ways to relieve my stress. Also, as a mom, sometimes just getting away and having a me day with my friends can be a great stress reliever. Other ways to manage stress include exercise of all kinds, not just in the gym, but getting outside, rollerblading, hiking, biking, or swimming in the summer. Deep breathing and meditation, slowing down to take a few breaths, though a small action can do wonders. Eat as well as you can. A poor diet can contribute to stress. And don't forget to make time for yourself. Whether it be doing a hobby you enjoy, taking a hot bath, or binging on your favorite TV show, taking time for yourself is sometimes hard to do, but so incredibly important. Now listen, I'm not claiming to be an expert in stress management. Those who know me well know that I'm definitely dealing with my fair share of stress right now. And we all know that reducing stress isn't easy and there's no magic button to make it go away. But taking time to consciously think about how to manage stress in your life, one day at a time, can help you move toward enjoying a much more stress-free day.